this question it is given that blood is flowing at the rate of 300 centimeter per centimeter cube per second. So the value of volume flow rate is given. So we can write the value of dV by dt is equal to 300 into centimeter cube is given. So we can just convert it into meter cube into 10 raised to minus 6 meter cube is a value of dV by dt. Capillary tube of cross-sectional area of cross-section is given as 0.6 meter square. The velocity of flow is Rm is to find out the value of V. So we can use that equation, that is volume flow rate dV by dt is equal to area into velocity. So we can find out the value of velocity, that is dV divided by dt, the whole divided by area. So we can just put the value over here, that is 300 into 10 raised to minus 6 divided by 0.6. So I'll get the value of V is equal to 500 into 10 raised to minus 6, or you can take it as 0.5 into 10 raised to minus 3, which 10 raised to minus 3 we can take it as millimeter. So this much meter per second, but answer is given in millimeter, so we can write 0.5 millimeter per second.